Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Oanda account and connect it seamlessly to TradingView. If you've ever wanted to combine the reliable execution of Oanda with the powerful charting tools of TradingView, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have your broker fully integrated so you can place trades directly on your TradingView charts, making your trading workflow simpler and a lot smoother. Let's get started with the very first step. Now for this to work, you'll need to already have an active Oanda account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll want to head over to Oanda's website and create one. It only takes a few minutes, and make sure you go through all the necessary verification steps so your account is ready to go. Once you've got that sorted, go ahead and log into your Oanda account. It's a good idea to double-check that you can see your dashboard and your account details just to confirm everything's set up correctly. Now that you're logged in, just keep that browser tab open. Next, we're going to move over to TradingView, so pop over to TradingView in a new tab or window wherever you like to trade. Once you're there, look towards the bottom of your chart window for the Trading Panel tab. It's not always immediately obvious if you haven't used it before, but you'll usually see it just below your chart area. Go ahead and give that a click. You should see a list of different brokers and services pop up. This part is really important because this is where TradingView lets you connect with specific brokers to execute trades straight from your charts. Here in the searcher list, type in Oanda if you don't see it right away. Sometimes it's near the top, sometimes you might need to scroll or search for it. Once you spot the Oanda logo, click on it. This is where TradingView will prompt you to connect your Oanda account. Now you'll see a button that says Connect. Just hit that. TradingView is going to ask you to log in with your Oanda account details, or it might automatically recognize that you're already logged in if you still have that Oanda tab open. This is why we left the Oanda tab open earlier. As a little trick, it sometimes helps the authentication process go quicker. If you're prompted to log in again, simply enter your Oanda credentials. Pause here if you need to double-check your login details or if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Just take your time, there's no need to rush this part. Once you've connected, TradingView and Oanda will link up, which lets you view your balances, open orders, and of course, place trades, all right within TradingView. It's a huge time saver and helps keep your trading experience unified, without the need to flip between different browser tabs or platforms. If you ever feel unsure or see any pop-up error messages, don't worry, sometimes the connection takes a few moments to sync. If something doesn't work straight away, just refresh your TradingView page and try connecting again. Most hiccups can be solved this way. And there you have it, your Oanda account is now successfully connected to TradingView. From here, you can start placing trades directly, manage your open positions, and use all of TradingView's powerful visualization tools while relying on Oanda for execution. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or if you ran into any trouble during the process, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy trading.